Welcome to the Midwest Dial Tone training sessions. In this video, we will be going over the texting feature in the ConnectUC mobile app. Press SMS. Here is where you can see the list of your SMS conversations. To send a new text, press New and select New SMS. Enter the number in the phone number field and then press Return. At the bottom, enter your message and press the Send icon. You can also send a picture or include an attachment file. Select the name or number at the top. Here, you can select Call this number to call the recipient, adjust notifications on or off, or select Close Conversation to remove it from the list. Thank you for watching, and we hope it was helpful. For even more information, you can visit our website at midwestdialtone.com. To see additional training videos, go to Customer Resources.